My name's Sean Fishlock and I'm here to show you some of the features of Freestyler's email module and how you can use them for your email marketing campaigns. Freestyler's email abilities can help you to increase customer loyalty and satisfaction, deliver low-cost marketing with results, build up your website content and results in search engines, reinforce your brand and brand awareness, and track and analyze your return on investment. With the email module, you can profile and personalize individual emails to each target user, create high-impact email promotions, send invitations, bulletins, and online surveys, allow users to opt in and opt out. When used appropriately, the system can comply with spam legislation. For the purposes of this demo, I'm using Freestyler 5.1. By the time you watch this video, you'll probably have an even more up-to-date version available with more great features. Freestyler's email module is accessed from the Users Role tab on the left. In the Users section, you can manage your list of users or members and assign them to groups. The number of users and groups that you create will depend on your Freestyler license. You can add new users here and select a list of contacts to send an email to. To create an ad hoc mailing list, simply tag one or more contacts and update the tag list. Another way to select multiple contacts is to get them from a profile group. You can use the groups list for this. Groups can be used to organize your campaigns. If you have a newsletter list, contacts might be automatically added to or removed from the corresponding Freestyler group when the users subscribe or unsubscribe. They may do so from a website form or using a link on the newsletter or email. Once you have a list of contacts, you can send your email by clicking on the Email tab. Freestyler enables you to import contacts from an external database, either manually or automatically. When creating the email, you first give it a subject line. This is what appears in the user's email program before they read the contents of the email. The default style is to send a plain text message, which you can enter directly below. If you want to send a graphical or HTML email, you can optionally use a graphical template which can be pre-installed in your Freestyler system. Freestyler sends emails in multi-part format, so they will be readable even if the person opening the email is using an older plaintext email reader. Using the mail merge feature, you can personalize messages by inserting tags into the body of the email. These tags or tokens will be replaced dynamically with the appropriate data for their contact record. For example, if I write "Hi, first name" in the message field, then the email that I receive will say, "Hi Sean." You can also use extended user fields in the contact record to insert other information about the recipient in the message to them. You could use this to do things such as confirm their email address, their phone number, or website password. You can also embed tracking tokens, which can generate useful reports on who has opened your emails and which links they clicked on within them. When you're ready to send, you can send yourself a test email using the preview function to check that everything looks okay. You can then send your email with the click of a button. The email will then be sent instantly to all of the contacts on your list. You can also save your settings for later if it is a frequently used template. The email address and name that the email appears to come from is determined by who you're logged in as. This way you can set up different profile accounts for different types of emails you might send, such as newsletter editor and newsletter@yoursite.com. Using Freestyler permissions, you can determine what users sending emails with these different login accounts can and can't do. With Freestyler, there are no restrictions on how many emails that you can send. So there you go. In a follow-up demonstration, I will show you how to create the content for your graphical HTML email or newsletter and some of the reporting tools available to you.